Hey there, machas. Want to learn how to break ankles like the professor with the stiff leg crossover? Come along. I know Professor didn't create the move, but come on, it is his channel intro, it is his logo. And I bet everybody watching this knows who the professor is. So, let's go. Now, this doesn't require any setup as such. In fact, it can be used as a setup for other moves. You can just pull it out anywhere and everywhere. So, the move basically is you're stepping ahead, faking the drive this way.
Look down to sell the drive, and ideally, you'd want to step past your defender. If not, at least get close to their foot.
And pulling the ball back as the defender tries to cut you off. So once you hit them with this, now you have options.
They do not react fast enough.
Here's the space to hit a jump shot. Let's say they do react. They come back with you. Now you can either drive this way or cross back and drive this way, depending on where your defender is, of course.
This move is a little risky.
You're putting it right in front of the defender as you do this crossover, right? You want to keep it low so that they can't reach it and take the ball away. At least that's how Professor likes to do it. What I like to do is slightly different. As I'm going into this fake and a pullback, I go between my legs. This is for two things. You have protection for the ball when the defender tries to reach in and steal. The next thing is you're doing this, the ball is more visible. Putting it between the legs instead, it's harder for them to see the ball. So they'll realize they've been faked a little later. It's giving you more space to go into this. But yeah, there's also the thing about going with a crossover here.
It's better for baiting a defender because it looks like it's easy to steal. So when they reach in and you counter, it's more likely they'll end up on the floor and you'll get a ankle breaker. Obviously, this looks way cooler than this.
Now another thing people do to sell this fake hard is they carry the ball. They put their hand under it, extend it a little extra, and then cross. This increases the effect and will send defenders flying, but remember, it's illegal. Do it at your own risk. Mostly what I would do, what even Professor does, is keep the ball low and tight and take a big step. Experiment with these variations, legal, illegal, crossover between the legs.
Combine it with other street ball moves like a nutmeg or maybe a sham god, a behind the back, God knows. Learn some other street ball moves right here and tell me in the comments what you want to see broken down next.
Make sure you subscribe and turn on all notifications because I've got a lot more street ball move breakdowns coming for you.